Hey loves, welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to try and then apply to the construction jobs that I made a video on. Yeah, so we are going to try and see if we can search for those jobs on the internet and see what the results will be. So if you are interested, grab your phones, grab your laptops, and let's get into business. So we are going straight to Google, and then we're going to type construction jobs with visa sponsorship in UK, right? And then we search. So guys, you remember I mentioned total jobs the last time, so we can see total jobs have some jobs there, but we are not going to pay attention to it. When I did the other video, I mentioned LinkedIn. I said you can equally use LinkedIn to search for the jobs. You guys, look at what we've got here on LinkedIn. Okay, so there's this job that has been advertised. It's for a joiner or a carpenter. Okay, and it says joiner or carpenter into brackets workshop. Okay, and they've written visa sponsorship, and the company's name is Skills Provision Limited, right? So let's see. Is that Skills Provision is searching for a suitably skilled joiner for a company in Devon, United Kingdom. The employer has a strong reputation driven by their commitment to continually produce top quality items. Top quality items. And then they said visa sponsorship is available for this position if required. Okay, and then the job title is joiner, sector is carpentry, position is full-time, location is Devon, okay, in the United Kingdom. Working hours is 40 hours per week minimum, Monday to Friday, with Saturdays during peak trading time. The role, let's open the food then. Okay, so the role is to make a variety of high quality entrance gates and outdoor furniture. Use a variety of saws and machinery. Ensure work is always carried out to a high standard and all deadlines are met. To support the company in providing excellent customer service, whatever, everything is there for you to read. And then the requirements are a minimum of 3 years experience, ideally in bench joinery, experience making gates and garden furniture would be welcomed. Excellent attention to detail, high quality workmanship, punctual. So you should be somebody who is punctual and hardworking. Okay, good communication skills, valid car driving license will be beneficial. If applying from outside the UK, the ability to meet the skilled worker visa requirements, example IELTS, is required, guys. So it means they will sponsor you. That is it. And the pay is £11 to £13 per hour, overtime available, and then benefits, company company bonus, pension, accommodation, 28 days annual leave, and visa sponsorship if required. They've mentioned it again, visa sponsorship if required. Okay, and then they said Skills Provision is an ethical international recruitment agency. As such, our adverts do not discriminate with regards to age, race, gender, color, creed, religion, sexual orientation, disability, and nationality, which means anybody at all can apply for this job if only you meet the requirements, right? Okay, so if you want to have a look, they have the link there. You can just go and apply. Then guys, this is from LinkedIn. We've got some here, and it's saying electronics engineer, electronic engineer. Let's see more about the company. Everything about the company is listed there. The role, you will be part of electronics team, comprising of electronic hardware engineer. You just go and have a read, and then when we come down to the bottom, let's see exactly what I'm looking for. These are the benefits. Okay, so these are the things they are going to give you, and the most important aspect is this one. This is what I am looking out for. Okay, guys, can you see that? You see that after the sick pay, they say UK visa sponsorship, which means they will sponsor you. All right, let's see this one. This one is for builder. Okay, so if you are a builder or you are a mason, this is for you. Other builders are typically associated with constructing homes, offices. You see, UK visa sponsorship, it's also there again, which means if you apply for this job, they will surely sponsor you if you meet the requirements. Band 7 Building Estates Officer, okay? Band 7 Building Estates Officer. And they said responsible for